Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to customize and add logos to QR codes in C#. So today we're diving into an exciting topic, which is how to customize QR codes using IronBarcode. So you should already have IronBarcode installed, and we're going to be starting in the program CS file. So now I'm just going to walk you through the code. So our code begins with the necessary using statements. We're using the IronBarcode namespace and the Iron Software drawing namespace. So IronBarcode gives us our barcode generation functionality, while Iron Software drawing provides drawing capabilities. So first, we are loading in a logo from a local file and then setting up the logo to use in our QR code. And then we're going to set up various styles, such as the colors and fonts to be used in our QR code. And we're using both RGB and hex color formats. After that, we're generating a QR code with a custom logo. Next, we are changing the barcode color. And then furthermore, we're going to add some text annotations above and below the barcode. Finally, we're saving our customized QR code as a PNG image file. So let's run the project. Might just need to wait a few moments to see the magic happen. Cool, our program has successfully executed. So now let's take a look at the output QR code. There we go. As you can see, our QR code is highly customized. The code color has changed to our defined RGB value, which gives it a unique, rich color. Our logo, which was added from a local file, is perfectly placed within the QR code. And the text annotation above the barcode reads, IronBarcode rocks, set in a bold Candara font with a vibrant blue color picked from a hex code. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. But before you go, if you would like to give IronBarcode a try for yourself and you'd like to get started, just hit the link down below in the description. And then you can get your trial key and download the program and experience the power of IronBarcode for yourself.